Virgo, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 10 to 16, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck na ng information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, let's begin. Weekly energies for Virgo. Okay, authenticity. So, being true to yourself, magpapakatotoo ka na sa iyong sarili. About the things na gusto mong gawin or about gusto mong i-express sa isang tao. Ayan, magpapakatotoo ka na. And then, you also have magical powers. Some of you are manifesting your dream life or meron kang minamanifest about your situation right now, na kung saan, kung ikaw ay magiging totoo sa iyong sarili, makukuha mo yan. Ooh, second house. This is a source of income. So, maaari you are manifesting a source of income, a new source of income. Kumbaga, you are really paying attention doon sa desires mo, doon sa gusto mo. Okay? You're being authentic. You're being true to what you really want in life. You also have creativity. Yes. So, yeah, I think itong creative talents and skills mo, yan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng opportunity para ma-showcase mo yung pagiging totoo mo sa sarili mo. For example, yung mga content creators. Merong mga content creators na they are true to themselves, na kung ano yung nakikita mo sa kanila sa social media, ganun din sila sa totoong buhay, like sa personal, no? So, some of you will tap into your creative talents and skills. And with second house energy here, this is going to open up opportunities for you sa income, no? Sources of income, money, finances. This is also your, rin kasi talents and skill set din yung second house. So, you're going to showcase your talents and skills. So, your overall energy for this week, the 4 of Cups. You feel like, may kulang, no? Parang feeling nyo, meron kayong kailangang punuan, ayusin sa sitwasyon nyo ngayon. Dahil, meron ditong hindi siya kontento sa sitwasyon niya. Maaring hindi ka kontento sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa business mo, o sa sarili mo. Oo, kaya siguro ngayon, ini-embrace mo na yung sarili mo, yung totoong ikaw. Kasi minsan, parang we want to please other people, kaya kahit na hindi naman talaga yun yung gusto natin, sumasang-ayon na lang tayo para wala nang problema, 'di ba? Your challenge is the 5 of Swords. So, meron ditong competition, merong conflict with competitor. So, if you are in business, pwedeng isa sa maging challenge mo yung mga competitors mo. I also see someone here na meron kayong hidden enemies, no? Yung parang laging nakabantay sa ginagawa nyo. So, be careful sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan. And then your opportunity, 7 of Swords. You have the opportunity to know kung sino yung totoo sa'yo. Kasi meron dyan na gusto ka or who cares about you, kasi nga, maaring you are pleasing that person kahit hindi naman yun yung totoong ikaw. So, for example, kunyari, magaling kang maggitara or yun yung gusto mo, maggitara. Pero, hindi naman talaga yun yung gusto mo. Ginagawa mo lang yan para just to belong, no? Para may magustuhan ka ng tao. So, ngayon, you have the opportunity to finally show and reveal your true self. At dahil doon, dito mo makikita kung sino talaga yung totoong nagmamahal sa'yo. Hindi dahil sa kung ano yung naibibigay mo sa kanila. And then, your blessing, 5 of coins. Nako, puro 5. Medyo conflicted ngayong week na to for you, Virgo, no? Kasi magkakaroon tayo ng full moon in Virgo. I think that is third week or second week ng March. Basta, hindi ko pa siya na-check. But magkakaroon ng full moon in Virgo. So, maaaring may mga challenges when it comes to your finances, but nasa blessing part nyo to. So, this can be a solution to your financial struggle, financial issues, no? So, merong solusyon na parating. So, huwag kayong mag-alala. Magagawa nyo naman ang paraan yan. Okay, let's see what else. Diba? May clover. Ang clover, it symbolizes abundance, fortune. Ayan. You have the potential to make life great. Oh. I think ito yung potential na to magagaling sa mismong sarili mo, kung paano mo i-enrich or i-showcase yung creative talents and skills mo. O, diba? Merong key, ayan, no? Meron kang i-unlock. You're going to unlock an opportunity. Solutions din to, 'di ba? 'Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, itong financial issue, financial struggle, may solution 'yan. Don't worry. Some of you will be dealing with a charming woman. This can be your energy or person mo. Okay, maaring merong person na tutulong sa'yo financially, Virgo, no? Pwedeng isang feminine energy, pwedeng nanay mo, ate mo, pinsan mo, or someone na merong feminine energy. So, sa iyo namang money, career, finances, you have the 5 of cups. Meron ka kasing regrets or meron kang bad decisions, no? Na ngayon sinusolusyonan mo. Actually, meron siyang potential na maayos. Okay? Maaayos pa to. Magagawa ng paraan. Kaya lang, kailangan mo mag-focus doon sa solusyon, hindi doon sa problema. Okay? 9 of Swords, overthink mo kasi. Wag mong overthink. Minsan kasi hindi pa problema, pero problema na natin. 'Di ba? Ayan. Ito na yung natural talents mo. You are going to tap into your natural talents and you can make money from your natural talents and skills. Sa love life naman. Love life. You have the 8 of Cups. Naku, merong iiwanan kayo na sitwasyon dito para sa iba sa inyo na nagtitiis sa isang relationship, sa isang connection na hindi mo na nakukuha yung dinideserve mo or parang tinitake for granted ka na. Your needs are all met. I think, pupunta ka sa isang sitwasyon na kung saan yung needs mo ay maibibigay sa'yo. Okay? Especially sa finances or sa resources. Ayan. So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.